Hey, chat. Hey, chat. This fucking shit's in slow motion. This fucking screen. Fuck. Maybe it's because I have all these tabs open. Hold up, though. I'm going to put some of these tabs away, guys. See if that'll help. Hold on, chat. Hey, chat. Hey, chat. Well, Death Row Capital. I don't need that anymore. Well, yeah, I got a lot of fucking tabs open. I need that. Need that. All right. Chat. All right. All right. How many times am I going to say all right? All right? All right. What are we looking at here? Ooh. Ooh. You see, guys? Let's go fucking long right here, guys. Did I miss it? I feel like I missed it. We'll activate the Goy Boy. The Goy Boy. What a drop. This right here. 10. That was 210 points, but from this high right here, this was a 786 rejection, I think. Watch this. I missed it. I mean, I was actually I didn't miss it. I was trading during all that shit, but not. I didn't. Almost a 786. We dropped fucking 200 and fucking 315 points. Damn. You see, guys. Anyway, all right. Now might be a good spot. Yeah, let's go. Hit. Oh, you fuck. I'm gonna mark it in. Fuck it. I'm in micros. Ugh, kill me. I'm fucking green. I'm fucking green, guys. You see, guys? You see, guys? Oh, no. Don't be a goy boy. This is going to fucking go without me. No, maybe not. Film it. All because I got in with the wrong shit. Maybe I get filled there. There we go. You think this goes up 75 points just like that? Let's see. 11 and 75. 86. That's my favorite shit, God. Oh, 87. 86, guys. 86.50, guys. I feel like I need to be in more, but hey, because we might run into an issue. We could run into an issue. Look, see how we ran into an issue at the bottom of this fucking like shelf. We might run into an issue here, but shit. I mean, this looks like a great spot for it to come up to, and I'm in the clear if that's where it wants to go. But we're gonna find out, right, chat? Hey guys, let's say hi to everyone in the chat, right, chat? How do I sound? Clear? K Suleiman, iTrade, TJP, Slick Rick, the Ruler, Dips and Picks. Dips and Peaks, my bad. Dips and Peaks, Willie, Navita, Carlos, Terp J, Tyson, Sean, Martman, Gian Rich, AS. That's Tyson Hall. What up? GB, Cody, Tony Gold, Just Ain't Right. Mwah. Horace. So you think we're going lower iTrade? Maybe, perhaps, possibly, potentially. Uh-oh. Where is this fucking gap? I don't know. Well, man, if this is the low here, if I draw a happy little Fibonacci here, Here's the bottom orb too. Is this? This is electronic trading hours. This is the bottom orb right here. Here's the top orb, which we just bounced off of. I mean, shit. Another 108 points. The 618 is at the bottom orb. Let's see what why is this electronic trading hours? Regular trading hours. Where's the fucking orb on this shit? Let me get out of the 4 hour. Yeah, the orb's way, yeah, the orb's up here. The bottom orb is here, guys. What's crazy is we never, yeah, I mean, look at that rejection right there. Was that a 786 or a 707? That's the 15-minute chart. Let's see. Well, that was the 300 point. That was a 78, almost a 786. That was from before. That was right here. That was, where was it? This one right here, guy. What's it, this one? Uh-oh. How many points did I have? I had 16 and a half points. I'm gonna wish I kept those 16 and a half points, maybe potentially. Clinvale. We were until about 5 seconds ago. Carbonite. Holy Earth. Gotta fill Tory's big gap. 45 points away. Oh, we're green everywhere. Look. I want this to establish some. What up, TR Bo? I want a Turbo C. I want this to establish some sort of direction, and then I'll show you the rest of my accounts. Plus, I'm waiting until we get 100 people, maybe. Kenny, what up? I'm fucking green everywhere now. For now, guys. Uh-oh. Yeah, this doesn't want to fucking go up. You fucking piece of shit. You piece of shit. From here, this last low, if I move this to this, yeah, there's the 786. We move it down here, the 618. We'll see. We'll see, chat. Is there any news? Fucking head of Yemen's Saudi-backed presidential council says it will work on resuming oil exports starting Monday. Great. Iran's deputy secretary of supreme leader. Strait of Hormuz, a critical leverage point for us. Iran won't show any leniency in this regard. The U.S. has not taken any action regarding release of Iran's frozen assets, and they have violated their commitments. Yeah. Sounds about right. Explosive-laden drone downed near Iraq's Al-Harir air base in eastern Erbil. Jordan's armed forces intercepted 3 missiles launched from Iran. What do you think they're going to do? Oh, I'm fucking green everywhere. Kevin. Monica. Yeah, Lucid has an app. I saw the email. I haven't looked at it. I'm in a cool down with them right now, guys. So here it is again. Running into trouble at the bottom of this fucking cuck, right? Then it's going to run into some trouble at the bottom of this fucking cuck if it gets there. Then it's going to run into trouble at the bottom of this fucking cuck if it gets there. Well, actually, it'll be here, right around where my take profit is, if we get up that far. All right, guys. You see? There's resistance in a lot of places. Here, 857, 850s, 870s, just around 900. I was green everywhere. Oh, wait, I am green everywhere. See, like, I wish I fucking went full port here because I would have had it. But then I'd have nothing to do for the rest of the stream. You know why? You know why? Because I did this in my Apex account a little while ago. We did this, guys. Uh-oh. I mean, that looks like a bear flag. If you look at it a little bit zoomed out, it looks like a bear flag. But I did like 165 on Friday, and then I did 939.82. I'm going to request $1,101.12. What will that make? What will that be for me after fees? Because they take 10%. $991. I'll take it. I got 966 coming. I'll take 991. Take it. And then I'll still have $3,100 of drawdown. And then this is my fucking funded. I went 1 for 1. My first trade iffy or trade if I eval, I got a growth and I passed it. So I'm 1 for 1 with trade if I. And I did I had to do the, the fucking verification shit, the KYC. And I did it this morning. And we got day one in, 678. What's funny about that is, look, I was in short. This is what always happens. Look, it went down how many more points? I got out at 51.75 at 951.75. It went down another 150 points. I'd have like 3,000, but they have a consistency rule, so I think it's 35%. But that's a good first day, and I locked myself out like a big boy. Markel, what up? Jane, Bacon. Oh, I see. I guarantee you, TRBO, I guarantee you I will butcher that, however that is pronounced. So I'm just going to call you Turbo, if you don't mind. I butcher everybody's names, or I've butchered a lot of people's names. So it's definitely not you, it's me. Trust me. Hang out on this stream long enough and you'll see me butcher a lot of people's names. All right, so that's that. I made you laugh when I called you Turbo? That's funny. Cool, man. All right. Slovenia. Very cool. Jack Boom. Alfred, exactly. I'm a grower, not a shower. I'm an account grower. All right, so that's trade fee. We got Apex out of the way. I am not locked out of this Apex, so I hope I don't do anything stupid, but I don't have any open orders. No working orders. And then I did this with my trade day. I had 2 legacy 50K end of day evaluations come through on rebuild. Obviously, I let them, and I got them up $900. How hard can it be to get the other 2,100? How hard can it fucking be? Are we trending? And now I'm working on my take profit traders. Oh, we are trending. Look at this. You want to see my watch this tan line. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Whoa! Oh look. Oh, what a surprise. Look where it rejected. Look where it stopped going up. It might push through though. Whoa! We broke the tan line, chat. What just happened? Can't wait to read this. PJ, Tyler. Yeah, dude, I can tell you one thing. If you fucking get your 10 days and you'll be fine. Let's go. Get the fuck up there. Please, Granny. Look. Oh, look. So look, it ran into some trouble here. See that? Ran into trouble here. It might not go up anymore after that. I don't know. How many points away was that? It couldn't go up another 12 fucking points for me? 13 points? You fucking piece of shit. I wanted it to come up here. This is where I wanted it to go because that would have been obviously went through my fucking take profit. If I was in with 2, I would have obviously passed this shit already. Fuck! Maybe it's going to retest the tan line. Maybe he's going to retest the tail line. That was aggressive. What happened? Head of Yemen sounding back. Presidential Council said, oh, we already did that. Right now, Trump is focused on making Iran pay for their violations of the MOU and their continued acts of terrorism in the Strait of Hormuz. I feel like Iran said the same thing about us. I'm going to get fucked here. I feel a fucking coming. Unless it wants to push. Oh, maybe not. It's got to push through this. It's got to push through this fucking thing. It's got to penetrate this. We need some penetration, guys. Who wants some penetration? Put 10K in a Top Step broker account? No doubt. Good luck. Umair, what up? PJ. Tyler, I like Bull and Ox. The only thing I don't like is when you're on day 10 and you fucking give back all of you literally blow the account. Well, I'm speaking for myself, obviously. But then it turned into me having a $10,000 day with Take Profit Trader. Actually, it was a $13,000 day, but who's counting? Well, what did I do? Let's see. What did I do that day? 3185. Oh, no, I'm sorry. 15,000. 3185 times 5. 15,925. I was 2603.50 over the buffer after that, and I took all of it. I requested $13,017.50. Ended up with 10,414 after fees. So, it was okay. It was worth, those bull and oxes were basically sacrificial lambs. Monica, thank you. That's what she said. My entry game is fucking on point. Right, Tyler? Tyler knows. Let's go hit my fucking take profit, you piece of shit. Let's go. Give me my $1,500 day. Give it to me. Hold. Yeah, this is NQ. NQ, NASDAQ futures, NQ. Hit it. Don't be a cuck. Oh, my God. It is going to be a cuck. Three fucking points. 3 fucking points. Push. How did I know that was going to happen? Stephen Cox, before you run out of battery, just my style. Jay Stores, what up? Why? It couldn't just go up 3 more fucking points. Now I'm going to put a trailing stop in and it's going to come and find it. It's going to come all the way down here. Maybe not. Maybe not. It always finds my trailing stop. I could put my trailing stop down here. It'll fucking come and get it. It'll come and get it. Motherfucker. What did I tell you guys? Amazing. It couldn't go up 3 more fucking points. Maybe it will. Dude, it is fucking hot in this thing, and I don't want to turn the fan on because the noise. You like the My Fund the Futures Bob the Builder account? Yeah, they're good. They're good accounts. I like them. I'll probably get another one when my cool down period is over. After blowing my live like the dumbest fucking way possible, but typical. Yeah, the 25K build is nice. The only thing I don't like about 25K accounts in most prop firms, look, it's coming. Look, it's gonna come and take me out. What did I tell you guys? It fucking knows. It just give me what I fucking want every fucking time. Every fucking time. It's so fucking crazy. Let's see why. That makes sense. Look, it couldn't just go up 3 more fucking points. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna add there. We're gonna fucking add there. Fuck that. Why not? Why not? It couldn't just go up 3 more fucking points. Actually, it was 3.75. Maximus, what up? The only thing I don't like about 25K prop firm accounts nowadays is the fact that they only give you $1,000 of total drawdown. They used to all be $1,500. The only prop firms that I trade with, that I'm aware of also, that still offers $1,500 on a 25K is Take Profit Trader and Bullinox. So if anyone ever were to ask me if they should get a 25K account, I would tell them it really depends on what firm you're trading with. Monica, we should pump to 935 and reject there, but will we? And when will that happen? Will it drop a fuck ton more and then do it? Of course, it couldn't give me 3 more fucking points. Like literally. That's all I wasn't even asking for much. What's another 3 fucking points? What's another 3 points, guys? What's another 3 points after this type of bounce? 796. It went up fucking 90. It went up almost 90 points. Went up 87 points. Carlos, yeah, it is a little. What I told you, this is where my trailing stop was. This was my trailing stop. I flipped it to a fucking ad, a contract ad. It wants it. It's gonna hit it. Maybe not, but it's just typical. Nothing fucking surprises me with this shit. Dimitri, what's good? Full tilt. We're in trouble. Why'd you do that? You should have waited. Did you go long here? Did you go long at 83? It's been on this harmonic shit. $47.50. That's not a bad spot. If we bounce, it's not a terrible spot. This is like a 618, 707. This is probably like a 618 right here. Let's see. Let's draw a happy little Fibonacci. Oh, it's the midline. The midline. All right, here we go. Is it going to fucking have some problems getting through this shit? We got any fucking news? U.S. official to Axios reporter Ravid on potential ceasefire talks with Iran. Ravid. Trump will make Iran pay for the recent deaths of U.S. soldiers. These devastating blows will continue until the Trump deems otherwise. But talks between our countries are continuing. Right now, yeah. Right now, okay, yeah, that's everything. I hope so, Turbo. We'll see. We'll see. Why couldn't it just do it here? It was only 3 more points. It was a big ass, though. I mean, that was a nice little pop there, guys. But I think you're right. I think we're going to push higher. See, I told you about, you got to watch these levels. Look, this little cuck right here, it rejected off of this. Now the next level of cuck is in this area. If I draw a fucking a shape, like a rectangle, you got this, and this maybe is what the RSIs. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. That RSI fucking indicator. Maybe it bases its drawings based on shit like this. It's like an RSI zone. I don't know. It's just a zone. It's just honestly, it's just a rectangle on the screen. But that's besides the point. Is it going to go down now and tag this? It's going to go lower. You fucking cocksucker. Why did Trump have to say anything about people fucking dying? About soldiers dying? Fucking jerk off. U.S. official right now, Trump's making them pay. We're going to make them pay. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Hey, get the fuck up there, you fucking piece of shit. Get the fuck up there. Yo, full tilt facts. Blowing the candles. Oh, I love blowing on the candles. Like this, you got to go like this. Hold on. Don't choke on it. I've blown on a lot of candles in my day. Oh my God, you fucking cocksucker. Hit it. Hey, we fucking did it, Joe. Maximus, we just did some hot tour on the fucking candle. Compile this. Ryan, you see, guys? That was a good hold by me. That was a good hold. Christopher Boucher, Mama said, trailing stops are the devil, Bobby. You see, guys? Mob Barley. Yo, we're in Power Hour right now. Power Hour is 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern. And then the market, New York closes, and then the future stays open for another hour. That's like the after hour. That's 5 o'clock. You see, guys? Just walk away, Jeffrey. I'm going to go buy some more accounts, but I don't need these. I don't need any more Take Profit Trader accounts. Damn, these shits are fucking over the fucking mark. Let me lose a little bit of money on purpose because I'd have to. Not that I have to. I just don't want to. How hard can it be to, meet consistency? But I don't want to even risk it. So I'm going to lose a little bit of money on purpose. Like this. Oh, I got money. That's pretty fucking close. You see, guys? That's pretty fucking close. I would love to get a 25K from my fund of futures for $25, but I can't buy any accounts with them right now. I'm in cool down because I blew my live account. I'm Millie. What up? I don't have a buy order anymore. What I got to do is lock myself out like this. Watch this. End of day, end of day, end of day, end of day, end of day. Lock accounts. Boom. Don't matter what. There's no orders open now. We locked out. We got locked out. They won't let me trade. All right, look, locked. Everybody's locked. So we're fucking green here in Take Profit Trader and over the target. We're fucking green here. I'm on day 3 with these too, I think. Am I? No, I'm not. I think I'm on day 2. Sorry. We're on day 1. We're green here on the fucking trade day. 50K legacy end of day evaluations that came through on a rebuild. Obviously, I'm not letting those fucking go. The only way I'm canceling these rebuilds is if I pass because it'll get canceled. We're fucking green in the fucking trade if he funded growth on day 1. And then we're fucking green in my fucking Apex account, my live Apex account. And I'm taking money. I'm taking my second payout. I just got to hit him up and say, hey, guys, 0 Day J here. What a bounce. Look at this fucking candle. This one candle, 806. That was just a casual 62-point candle at fucking 3:29 p.m. Eastern. Coach Fred, I'm fucking green everywhere. So, obviously, I locked myself out. I could buy another account and trade it because now, if you guys were not aware, Trade Evade Prop gives you the ability to lock yourself out of one account at a time. Instead of, they used to have the manual lockout, and if you did it, it would lock you out. It would just lock you out of the Trade Evade instance altogether. So if you traded 3 accounts and you wanted to lock yourself out and you still had 2 others or whatever, you wouldn't be able to trade those either. So a lot of times people would wait, myself included, although I copy trade. But it just depends, right? And then, you know, what could possibly happen in that regard is you could accidentally trade the wrong fucking account. So now they let you lock out on an account by account basis. So if you were just here, if you were here just a minute ago, you saw me click on this right here, and then every account had its own option of how I wanted to lock the account out, or if I wanted to at all. So you don't have to lock out all of the accounts. You can lock out one, be like, now you can't fuck that account up, and then you move on to the next one, which is awesome. It's so fucking good. JK, GCTA, we're fucking green everywhere. D-Walk, what up? I didn't even see that. I didn't even see that shit with my funded futures. I got to check my email. Apparently, I wonder if you put my code in 0DayJ, the best fucking code, you could get a 25K. Let me look. I'm gonna test it on my other computer, guys. It's fucking hot in here. See, I need this fucking fan on to circulate the air in here. Let's see. Start a challenge. 25K builder. Bob the Builder. Well, they're 50% off right now, from what I could see, with my code. Maybe they ran some sort of flash sale. I'm gonna look at my emails. Partner. Can I find a fucking email with my fucking shit? You see, guys, and look, I literally fucking look what I did. Look what I fucking did. I do the top ticking. Look at that. Where did I tell you? I told you, like, it fucking rejects off these zones. It just missed coming into this area. Although, if you look here, look where the top of this, look at this candle, this wick, and look at the bottom. Look, it that was the one it rejected off of. Crazy. Now, if I go to, let me go to the 5 minute. Let me see what that looks like. Interesting. Nonetheless, we got the fucking job done. We rode that shit up like a fucking G. Like a fucking G. Oh. Let's see here. I don't see anything about, maybe they posted it. Maybe it was like a flash sale they posted on their Discord. Active promotions. Yeah, 50% off Rapid Builder and Pro. Just like I have the same promotion. You see? Rapid Builder and Pro, all 50% off, which is a great fucking deal. With the best fucking code, 0DayJ. The best fucking code. Take Profit Trade is 40% off a no activation fee. Trade Days 50% off a no activation fee. Lucid is 40% off Pro accounts, 30% off Flex and straight to funded. Apex is 90% off. I still think they're doing that $49 flash sale all-in account, the 50K intraday with no activation fee. And then, I think they still have the $59 activation fees. Let me look. Standard intraday activation fee, $59. Yeah. Any size intraday still has the $59 one-time activation fee if you go that route. End of day, they're, regular. Wow. They're regularly priced. Damn, they're up there. 119. It's almost like they don't want you to trade those accounts. That's their way of saying don't trade these accounts unless you want to pay up. No activation fee on these. The 50K end of days are $100 if you buy a 5-pack. 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 $100 if you buy a No 5-packs on the 100Ks and 150Ks on the no activation fee end of days. But the 25 and 50s have the 5-pack, and then the intraday no activation fee accounts. 25Ks are $59 each if you buy a 5-pack. 50Ks are $49 with a coupon code. And obviously the 5-pack is the same, but that's a good deal if you want to buy one at a time. No activation fee, all in. 100Ks are $99 as a 5-pack. 150Ks are $159 each as a 5-pack. Very comparable to other prop firms, all the ones that they're supposed to be like, you know. Guys, you had to get one of those pros, yeah. Oh, it was a deal they ran for Trade Sinker only? Fuck that then. Fuck that. Yo, that shit don't work no more. Code fuck that. Compile this. Here's the code. It's called fuck that. But whatever. Guys, I'm all about you guys saving money. So if you want to go fucking do that, go for it. Like, obviously, I want you to use the best fucking code, but clearly in this instance, it's not. You know what I'm saying? Armando, what up? What up, Scott? What's happening? Marcine. But with that said, you're 50 years old, JK? No fucking way. Hey, everybody, pound the confetti like roast beef for JK. It's his birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. President. Bro, it's fucking hot in here. Woo! Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Bobby Digital. Yeah, you put my code 0DayJ in on Take Profit Trader, you'll get 40% off and no activation fee. Take Profit Trader, they're probably numero uno. They're probably the best firm. I like them the most. It's hot because I'm green everywhere. Yeah. Yeah, fast track. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hide my screen and I'm going to buy a fucking I'm going to buy a 50K select trade iffy account. All right, guys. Because remember, although I locked myself out of this one, well, the one I'll show you in a second. I only locked myself out of that one account. I'm not locked out of the entire instance of TradeEvade. So we're going to add an account right now, guys. Right now. Oh, I'm missing the fucking, oh shit. Well, here's your MOC candle. Oh, wait. Hold on. My bad, guys. My bad. MOC right here. First candle was 866 to almost 50 points. Basically a 48 to 49 point candle. And we dropped right back down to this low here. I think we're going to go lower. I think we're going to break it. But what do I know? This shit could fucking pump 80 points from here. I don't fucking know. But man, I top ticked the fuck. Look at me. Look at me. I do the top ticking now. Almost top ticked it. Pretty good though. We got up to 86.75 was my take profit that got hit and went up another 7 points. There's the 54-minute candle. We broke the tan line. So what I'm thinking is if it does go lower, let me expand this a little bit. Like if it does break this right here, does it fucking retest the tan line all the way down here and then bounce? Robert Gallus, what up? Tech Reviews. Okay, guys. Would I ever do a collab with Trading Wars? Cody, I don't think I'm not even on his fucking. I can't even wear his jockstrap, man. He's a fucking that's an OG. Have we talked about how Take Profit now has instant approvals because that is an incredible? Do they really? That's new, Cody. That's fucking new. Let me find the email. That's fucking cool. Actually. Oh, there it is. There's your 55-minute candle. Oh my god. I'm kind of glad I didn't buy that shit. Big profit trainer. Retesting that. Withdrawals in seconds. Oh my God, bro. That's fucking crazy. That is fucking crazy. Almost retested it. It still might go lower. Nasty. Nasty work right there, guys. What a drop. 894, 768. We dropped 100, basically 130 points. Was it news related? The U.S. Times reduced the aluminum tariff rate to firms' onshoring plans. White House, Trump signed proclamation authorized the Secretary of Commerce to establish an incentive program for companies that will invest in aluminum smelters. White House, Trump takes further action to adjust imports of aluminum into the United States. White House, Trump signs an executive order to make it harder for defense contractors to obtain waivers for banned foreign critical materials, minerals, and materials. Trump's executive order threatens defense contracts with loss of contracts if they fail to replace risky foreign suppliers. Trump's order requires contractors to exhaust options for domestic products and map critical mineral and component supply chains for weapon systems. Cool. Almost retested that shit. Now, if I fucking adjust where I drew this, it's actually not in a bad place. This tan line right here. Just missed retest, just missed hitting it. No preview on that fucking thing? Corny. Corny. Hey, traders. That's awesome. They just keep getting better and better, guys. Since you were just asking about Take Profit Trader, there's your answer. They're the fucking shit. All right. Maybe it will come down and retest this. Look, we'll see though. All right, watch this. Watch this, chat. I don't know why. Speed of payouts and why withdrawals got faster. Take Profit Traders program and payout policy always been built around one idea. Traders should be able to access their profits quickly. Day one and daily eligibility, no caps, no funding consistency rules. Fucking, they're the shit. Day one, daily and speed of payouts. Look how fast look at that. Look how fast it's going. You see, guys, but we're not changing. Eligibility. How payouts used to work. Balance reflects new profit. Day after the dashboard updates. Trader submits withdrawal from account balance to wallet after dashboard update. Manual review and approval. Up to 12 business hours, sometimes more depending on queue. That's how it used to be. How payouts used to work. Traders wait until the approval is approved. By the way, even when you did it this way, it was always fucking fast. Within like an hour or two most of the time. Sometimes even quicker. Now, the dashboard updates earlier. Look at this. The dashboard updates a couple hours earlier, and you can fucking request right away. Holy shit, look how fast they're going. Oh. Who's got where'd they get that money from? Why would you only take 7,000? You take all of it, guys. Boom. Anyway. Let's see what's going on here. Oh my God, what the fuck? Damn, I wish I had that trade fee. I got all caught up in this take profit trader shit. All right, let me go buy this account because I love buying accounts. I am the fucking I'm an account buying professional over here. 50K select. For daily payouts, $99. Sign me up. Well, if I buy 5, I'd save $8 an account. I can't buy a 5-pack though, because I already have one funded account. Like if I were to pass them, I'll just do one account, one at a time. Right, guys? Let's see if he'll let me use my fucking debit card this time. Their merchant processing is very you know, sensitive, for lack of a better term. And if you're wondering if I have a trade iffy code yet, I do not. But I have a call with them tomorrow. I have a call with them tomorrow in the morning. I might have one after that. Wish me luck, guys. Hopefully I say all the right things. Well, hope they don't ask me about Brett. Yeah, see, it doesn't work. I got to use PayPal. Fucking motherfucker. I'm not calling. I have no problem using PayPal. I'm just saying. Very what just happened? Oh, it already gave me the account. Let me see if I got a PayPal notice, a PayPal email. That was interesting. Yeah, I got it. I mean, wow, it's already like it saves it to your account and then you just keep using it. That's cool. All right. All right. There it is. 50K select evaluation account. Let's see what I could do. There is a consistency on the eval side. So I can't pass this unless I have to trade it at least 3 days, just based on the fact that it's 40%. So what's 40 of 3,000? So I have to do no more than 1,200 a day. 1,200, 1,200, 600. That's the goal. So let's see what the fuck we could do right now, guys. Let's hit refresh. Oh, no, Granny. I got to log in. 1 sec, guys. All right, guys. Look, see, look where it rejected. Just pay attention to that. It's not always going to happen that way, but man, it happens like this all the time. Not all the time, a lot. It couldn't get over this level right here. It literally rejected right off the bottom of it, which also was the top of this cuck zone. Now, what is it going to do here? Is it going to push higher or is it going to go lower? I mean, that's the $1 million question. We don't know. But if I look here, if I go here, my handy dandy trusty Fibonacci's, I mean, I don't know. We're still, if I make this, we're still hanging around that 786 with this being the low. Well, when this was the low, when I was using this as the anchor, we blew through it. Not by much. We wicked below it, but not by much. But now, you know, I just think this is a more appropriate place, and I feel like it does have more room to go down. I just don't know if it's going to go down today. We only have 55 minutes left. You guys know what the cutoff is on Tradeify? What's the cutoff? How long can I trade until on Tradeify accounts? Does anybody know, guys? Oh, thank you. Frostilicus is watching. Thank you, guys. It's funny. Guys are hanging out on the stream and hanging out in the Discord. By the way, if you guys are not yet hanging out in the best fucking community on these platform streets, this is exactly why. You're missing out. It's free for now, and it is the fucking best. I'm not just saying that, guys. It really is the fucking best community on these platform streets. Arthur, trade iffy. I know it's Tradeify, but I call it trade iffy. Mars, what up? Is there a cutoff for Apex evals? What do you mean? Like the time? Desmond, what up? Thank you, Desmond. Thank you, guys. Tony Gold, appreciate you guys. Carlos, compile this. iTrade. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Wild J, what up? Yeah, I just got my second account, guys. Mars, what up? The #1 account buyer on these prop firm streets. Although Amon, what's good? I did trade my Apex live already. I did right here. I got it up. I got it up high enough. It's in a good enough place for me to want to request a payout. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to request $1,101. That'll be my second payout. Oh, shit. That was a nice little bounce, though. We bounced from 767. We bounced, 65 points, and then it pulled back. I can't trade that anyway, so I'm locked out. 1,200. How many can I trade on the select? 4 minis. All right. Retested this level again. What's gold doing? Is GCQ is the new gold, right? Or is it GCN? No, GCU. GCQ, I mean. Let me see what the micros are looking like. MGCU. MGCQ, sorry. Where's the VWAP? I tried to add the community indicator before, and it wouldn't let me. Oh, there we go. In case you're wondering how to add the VWAP to your fucking Tradeify chart, you click on community indicators, and it'll probably show right here at the top because it's very popular, or you just type it in. The VWAP. Oh, wait, nothing shows there. I guess you got to do it this way. I like the Tiki. And then what happens is, and how to do it, let me start from the beginning. You got a little menu here on the top left here, along the top and along the side. So you click on indicators. The VWAP is not in here. You have to go to the Explore Community Indicators. You have to click on that. That little pop-up will show up here, and then you just hit install. Now, I don't know how the other ones are. Some people like their nom-noms. I don't know. I like this one. I'm perfectly fine with that. There's all different types of shit. And then after you add it, you click the install button, you go back to indicators and you go to CE tools. This is CE as in Community Explorer. And then there it is, the VWAP. Now you got to set it. I like to make the VWAP red and fucking thick. A lot of girth. I like to make the VWAP have a lot of girth. And then I like to make the upper the VWAP band and the lower the VWAP band not as thick and make them fucking dashed. But I do like keeping them red, though. I do like keeping them red. And I'm going to make that there. Brick red. Brick red, chat. The upper the VWAP band and the lower the VWAP band. You see, guys? So you got the VWAP. Then you got the upper the VWAP band and the lower the VWAP band. Now we're good. Now I got to save this. Save template. The VWAP. Boom. I can get rid of this shit. I think we're going lower. I don't know. I don't know what we're doing. We're not that far away from the lower day. Lower day is not that far from here. Damn, it gave up all of that. Look at how far down we are from this. I mean, well, from this is when I started watching the chart. Even from here, we're down 200 points. But from here, guys, we're down 340 something. Holy Earth, what up? Wild J, yeah. Forex Ike, what up, man? Thank you. I appreciate it. Futures Ninja. Gian Rich, Elevated Life. How hard can it be? Chevy Flames. Can you get daily payouts from Apex? You can, Amon, but like you got to request. They were pretty quick once they got back to me. You got to request. You got to right now. You have to submit it. You have to submit a support request, and then they get back to you. But like once I confirmed that that's what I wanted to request, the money came out right away. Like the money, it didn't take long before they withdrew the money from the account for me, and then I was able to trade. So I'm gonna request again, like when I get off the stream or whatever. I'm gonna send an email. I'm gonna send a new support ticket and say, "Hey guys, 0 Day J here." Yeah, gold. Yeah, gold's not. I love gold, but it's not really. I don't know. I've been trading the NQ a lot more lately. I was only trading gold for the longest time because I hated the NQ, but I got a good handle on the NQ now. Plus, a lot of volume went back into fucking crude because we're fucking back at, the war basically, although I never really thought it was over, it basically, they rebooted it. And look, fucking crude is crazy. Look at this. Here's a high. Here's a low, and then boom, 786. You see, guys? You see, guys? And then if I fucking draw a fucking fib, if I draw a happy Fibonacci right fucking here, obviously I'm on the 1 minute chart, but if I draw from, the high and the low, look at this. 707, width below the 707, and we bounce somewhere between the 707 and the 786. You see, guys? For how many fucking points? 79 to fucking 83. That's 400 ticks. Well, it was 350 ticks, roughly. Which is $3,500 per mini. But I digress. I'm just waiting to see what happens here because I don't know. It kind of died. But it retested this same fucking level here. I'm curious what's going to happen after like all the all the fucking daily expiration options expire. Well, when just all that shit is over. Just want to see. Let's see. Any new SpaceX to post Q2 results on August 4th. The U.S. Times reduced the aluminum tariff rate. We already did that. All right. Nothing really new other than SpaceX. Let me know when SpaceX is at 20. I'm going to back up the truck. They're going to tell me I'm going to have to stop saying trade iffy. They might be watching the stream right now. Hey, guys. Nick Patel, what's good? Miss Goody. You want me to check my DMs right now? Hold on, Holy Earth. You sliding into my DMs? Yeah, do it. That's kind of annoying. I'm kind of annoyed about that. I'm kind of annoyed about this, to be honest with you. Yeah, but Holy Earth, yeah. Why not? Why not? Take advantage. Take advantage. I want the same fucking deal. I'm asking right now. I'm hitting them up right now. Anyway, look, it wants to go lower. Does it really want to fucking just drop and make new lows on the day? I need coffee. I need some coffee, chat. We're going to go for a little walk here. We're going to go get some more fucking coffee. But I do want to trade this trade iffy account. Oh, look at this thing drop. I wasn't about to go short though. Like I didn't trust it. It's man, if anybody went short up here, like, great job. Even here, even in this spot, and just rode that shit out for the rest of the day. It's a good fucking trade. Hold on a sec. I got to go to the bathroom, all right, guys? back. Sorry, guys. Did I miss anything? Just gonna get my third cup of. Actually, this is my. No. This is my third cup in this pot. Shit. See, it went lower. I don't know. One more headline away. We're one headline away from it making new lows on the day. And that's Trump saying now. As U.S. Iranian risk whipsaw oil tops and bonds. Whipsaw oil stocks and bonds decline. A renewed round of oil volatility brought equities lower with fears of an increase in Middle Eastern hostilities outweighing efforts to bring the war to a halt. The majority of the S&P 500 stocks fell, but a chipmaker index rebounded after entering a bear market in a turbulent session. U.S. crude settled at 83. Gilts? What the fuck is that? Oh, no. Oh, I lost it. Gilts saying after U.S. Prime Minister Burnham unnerved investors over his approach to the country's finances. Alphabet's Google is creating a server chip to optimize its Gemini artificial intelligence model. According to him, Trump pledged that Iran would pay for their recent killings of 3 U.S. soldiers. Maybe you shouldn't have fucking started bombing them again, you dumb fuck. But that was all by design. It's all by design. It's all about money and land and resources. Anyway, let's go back to this trade iffy shit. I'm just waiting. I don't know. I want to trade. I do want to trade more, obviously, guys, because I'm a degenerate. But, like, this shit is barely moving. This wasn't a bad drop, though. But I just didn't want to. I don't know. I just didn't feel like doing that. I'll clean up the rest later. So in case you're just tuning in, if you're just tuning in right now, if you just come into the stream or you just stopped by within the last 5 to 10 minutes, this is my trade IFI, my trade IFI growth, my funded growth account. I got one. I got my first ever account with them on Friday. I've been saying I've been wanting to try them out. I got my first account with them Friday, passed it in one trade. Piece of cake. Well, I just got lucky. But I waited patiently for a nice move, and I got it. And then I activated it today because I had to do my, I had to do my verification shit, the KYC, and I got $678. What's funny is I was short, and I got out of the short like right around here, and I could have gotten somewhere around here. I could have gotten so much fucking more, but whatever. It doesn't matter. I locked myself out. That's a good first day. They do have a 35% consistency rule on those funded growths. And then I did that. But before I did that, I did this with my Apex account, my live Apex account, $939. I am not locked out. I could trade this some more. I don't necessarily want to, though. I'm good with that because now I can request $1,101.12. After fees, it'll be like $990. Let's see. 1101.12 times 0.9. $991 to make them holla. And then I did this on the stream. I held this fucking trade like a fucking boss. I almost top ticked NQ. I almost made the NQ my bitch. I said, look at me. I do the top ticking now. One trade, one mini, 5 accounts, 15. It was actually 1,509, 15. What was it before fees? 1510 before fees. I think I was at 1509 after fees. And then I lost a little bit of money on purpose because of consistency rule. Not that I needed to, but it just makes it a little bit easier for me to get my other days in. But I am over the target on these, all 5. So got to get my flip days in. Just got to win some flip days. But before I did that, I did this also with trade. We bouncing? Trade iffy. Not trade iffy. These are trade days. Trade day, 50K end of day legacy evaluations. Got them up $900. I had some rebills come through. I don't cancel. I never cancel subscriptions on good accounts at good deals. So I hold on to shit like this until like, you know, the subscription gets ended on because I passed the eval. So we'll see what I could do with those, but you know, hopefully I can pass them. We got an interesting development here. Is this going to go up? I don't know. I don't know, guys. I might have missed my opportunity. Let's see what it looks like. It's barely anything. It looked like more. It looked like more. Yeah, see? Ooh. It was like a 10-point fucking pop that probably sucked a bunch of people in. People are like, oh, it's going to go. And they probably got in around here, and then it just got fucked. But then again, it could go back up. I don't know. It just went a little lower. Trading at this time of day is a little sketchy, unless it's earnings. But it's Monday, so there really isn't anything that we need to worry. Let's see what kind of earnings we have this week. Weekly news outlook. Thanks to Nao. Appreciate it. We have ADP weekly employment change. No red folder events this week. But manufacturing PMI, they consider it a yellow folder event. Unemployment claims, orange. Thursday, we'll get a reaction to that. Crude oil inventories, we'll get a reaction to that if you fucking recruit. Maybe a little bit on Wednesday. New home sales, all this shit on Friday. PMI, a little something, nothing crazy. And then here's the earnings we got today. Zionist Bank Corporation. Okay. A bunch of airlines. We got some airlines and banks, basically. I'm looking to. Oh, MSCI. Isn't that going to move the market? Oh, we got Google on Wednesday. Tesla, Google. Oh my God. AT&T before the open. Google, Tesla, IBM. All on Wednesday. Thursday, we got Intel after the close. Before the close, American Airlines. Before the open. Okay. Google and Tesla. Wednesday should be fun. Anyway, let's see what's going on with this shit. Look, it went lower. I don't know. I'm curious what the 30-minute candle is going to do. Let me go back upstairs. Chat. Kind of just standing here in the kitchen. Yeah. Hey. Uh-oh, I dropped coffee on the floor. Ruh-roh. Well, that's bright. Oh, shit. Here's what I want to do, chat. I think we're going to go long. Keep an eye on this shit for me. I'm worried about the 30-minute candle. I got to clean up this coffee, so hang out. All right, chat. My bad, chat. Oh, I'm fucking green. You see, guys? You see, guys? I wonder if it has some trouble getting through this. If it even gets up that far. Can we get this before I run out of time? I doubt it. Marcos, what up? I will get my Apex bonus if I'm able to hold on to the account until August 15th. I will get my bonus. I get 40% for my first one. 40% of something. I forgot what it was. 40% of my payout before the split. So I requested like 1,073. So as long as I still have my live account by the time August 15th rolls around, I will get what's what? Well, 1,073 times 0.4. I'll get another $429 taken out of my bonus vault. Now, I don't know what happens after I request another payout. I don't know if it like compiles all of it together. I don't know how it works, but I guess they'll give me they might give me a breakdown. Black Magic, what up? Yo, I got rid of some tabs, bro. I got rid of some tabs too. I'm doing research. No, Turbo, it's 40% off with my code. You have to put a code in to get if you're talking about Take Profit Trader or any prop firm, you have to put a code in to get the deal. If you put in code 0DayJ, that's your way of showing support and using my code. It's because it's the best code anyway. It's the best fucking code. Look at this. Oh my God, I'm fucking green everywhere. Can it keep going? I wish I was in heavier. Josh, what up? Elevated Life knows it's the best fucking code. Bacon, what's good? Oh, you've been here, bro. Half Baked, what up? Of course. Of course. He's just doing what all the other ones I've always done. He's just doing it better. Half Baked. You know what I'm saying? No stops here. What's a stop loss? What's a fucking stop loss? Let's see if it can keep pushing. Let's see if this fucker can keep pushing. In case you're just tuning in right now, it's a trade iffy. It's a select 50K select evaluation. This right here, this one is a trade iffy growth funded account, day one locked. Just need 4 more days. How hard can it be? I think I need to get to 3,100 to lock in 1,500. How hard can it be, guys? And also, if you're just tuning in right now, I'm fucking green everywhere. We're green in Trade Iffy. We're green in fucking my Apex Live. We're green in fucking Trade Day. We're green in fucking Take Profit Trader. Oh! Anyway, let's see what we could do here. Let's see if it keeps pushing. Let's see if it keeps pushing, guys. Oh my God, it looks like it wants to keep pushing, guys. I'm going to put my fucking trailing stop right here so it comes back and hits it. But fuck it. At least I'll lock in some gains. Please keep pushing. Please keep pushing, chat. I shouldn't have put it on the screen. Now it wants to come back and hit it. It wants to come back and shake me out before it goes higher. It's a nice little pop, though. Nice little pop. Also, in case you are looking for a place to hang out with other awesome people, like all the people you've been hanging with in the chat during this stream, we have a community called the Degen Fam, the Degen Treehouse. The DCA gang hangs out here. What up, Johnny? There's the link. It's free for now. The Discord, it's free. What am I auctioning off, sir? I'm auctioning memberships to my Discord. That's free for now. CyberPie, what up? Yes, I grabbed my first account on Friday. You're green too? Yeah. So you don't need to trade anymore right now. Why even bother? I'm a degenerate. What up, Sam? It sounds like you're trading, well, I don't know if you're trading with prop firms. I don't know. You could be. But there's no point in trading now if you don't want to, if you're happy with it where everything is. I'm just trying to push this account, and we're doing it for the stream. And I'm just curious if it's going to work its way up here. I'm just fucking curious. Holy Earth. I appreciate that, man. Thank you so much. Thank you, man. Thank you. Always appreciate your generosity. Look at this shit fucking push. Compile this. I thought about adding to it, but whatever. It's fine. If I full ported this, I would have had my $1,200 day because you could trade up to 4 minis. Now I don't know if I want to. I don't want to add, but I would have had my $1,200. I just didn't want to risk it because we were dropping low. We could have kept going lower. It did look like it might want to keep pushing lower to try to test this fucking lower day. So I was a little nervous about going heavy. But no matter what happens, I will be green fucking everywhere. But I hope it does go higher. I'm running out of time. I have 6 minutes left. Coach Eddie, what's good? Should have taken 4 accounts, Monica. It's okay. I'll work my way up. That's right, Alfred. Can't stop, won't stop. Next live account will be with Trade Iffy. Very possible. Very possible. It's coming from my trailing stop. I could see it taking me out and then pushing up higher because that's how it usually goes, but it's okay. It's quite all right. Uh-oh. Little fucking cuck. What a fucking cuck, guys. Come on, push higher, please. Do you lose your account if you fucking hold your account into the close? I might as well just make sure I get the fuck out. Might as well make sure I get the fuck out. I fucking knew it. Saudi led coalition will protect ships in Bab el-Mandab and respond to Houthi threats firmly. Iran air defenses activated around Bushehr nuclear plant. Great. How'd I fucking know this was going to happen, chat? I told you guys. I told you. Now it's going to push higher. Maybe, maybe not. Nothing surprises me. I called this 65. It was up 15 more points. It's okay though. I mean, if I would have full ported, I would have had my $1,200 day, but it doesn't matter. I can't pass this in less than 3 days, no matter what, because it has a 40% consistency rule. So I could do like 9. What do I need? 3,000 minus 149. 2851 divided by 3. $950 a day. Pff, piece of cake, bro. I mean, how hard can it be? It's going to push higher, though, now. Because it had to take me out first. It always fucking does. And then it works its way higher. But I'm at it, like, I can't trade in 38 seconds anyway, so it doesn't even matter. I am missing out on what? 4 fucking points right now? No, I'm missing out on 3 points so far. But it doesn't matter. Whatever. Fuck them. I knew that was going to happen. I've seen it happen a million times. I've seen it happen so many fucking times. I've seen this movie before. Investors, what up? You could do the buffer in 1 day, but no matter what, you got it. The consistency rule on Apex funded accounts on the new accounts, not the legacy, is 50%. So if you get to the buffer, Cash Clay, what is the buffer? Let's say on a 50K, I think it's 2,100. If you get to the buffer on the first day, you have to grow that shit to 4,200 to be eligible for a payout. And you have to get your 5 days in, all that type of shit. So while you can do that, you are going to make it a little harder for yourself. Where's the buffer? Hold on. Hold on. We're going to have some fun. I don't need to dig for it because Loyalty posted it.
Oh, isn't there a flatten all button, dude? Okay, I'm in Apex. Where do I go? Help! Fuck! You guys are so fucking annoying. Where's the button?
Imagine me screaming at you guys like that. He's screaming at his own fucking audience. He's screaming at 365 people saying, you guys are so fucking annoying. It's fucking amazing. And I'm pretty sure he still hasn't gotten a payout from Apex. But that's besides the point. Anyway, there's your professional trader right there. Anyway, give me a number from between 1 and 99. 1 and 99, chat. One number, one time.
Oh, isn't there a flatten all button, dude? Okay, I'm in Apex. Where do I go? Help! Fuck! You guys are so fucking annoying. Where's the button?
Oh my God. One number, one time. All right, chat. Thanks, chat. I'm just taking my screenshots, all right? If more than one person has the number, the winning number, you both win, or all of you win. One number, one time, one number, one time. One more time for the stream, because this shit is fucking funny.
Isn't there a flatten all button, dude? Okay, I'm in Apex. Where do I go? Help! Fuck! You guys are so fucking annoying. Where's the button?
Oh my God. Maybe if I fucking curse you guys out all the time and I'm a fucking total asshole to you, maybe I'll get more people on the streams. What do you think? I'm pretty sure he's still doing it. He needs to, because he barely ever gets payouts. Sorry. Did I say that out loud? All right. Full alpha allocations. Leo's just going in. Leo's not going to let that one slide. I got full alpha allocations, guys. Let's see how far up it went. Yeah, look, it went higher. Here was the cutoff right here. This was the last minute. Look, it went higher. Fucking, I told you. I knew that was going to happen. It always fucking does. All right. Univestor is the last number in there. 3, 2, 1. Good luck. 31. Who's got 31? Nobody. God damn it. Nobody. I got you, iTrade. I got you. Also, anybody new to this, I go by your first number. Just don't be annoying and post a bunch of numbers, because that's fucking annoying. I don't want to send rips after you and tell you how fucking annoying you are. Oh, you're good, Desmond. 3, 2, 1. Good luck. 98. 98. Wow, 98. That's interesting. Bodine. Bodine. Of all the numbers you could have picked. Congratulations to Bodine. Guess what you win? A fast track Talladega Nights plan. Woo! No, I had one code left from Lucid. You got a 50K flex. I'm gonna send you a code. I don't always get the codes, but I was able to get codes this time, and I gave away 10 of them. This is the last one. It's my last code, guys. Just hit me up. Just hit me up. Congratulations to Bodine. Do I like to make big plops? What kind of I feel like if you're asking that question, you already know the answer. JP, what up? Yo, TJP, that's a totally common number, bro. Of course it is. Of course it is. Nothing beats a JetBlue holiday. Is that like a... I need to look this up. I just have the feeling that I got to look this up on the Urban Dictionary. I don't know why. Oh, it's a meme. A soundtrack for vacation disasters, funny fails, and chaotic moments. Oh, I thought it was like an Urban Dictionary thing. I see. Or you just like did it. D-Walk, bro. I wasn't sure. Forex Elite. Yeah, JP, I already did it. Ming, what up? All right, guys, I'm going to bounce. In case you're just tuning in because you heard about the giveaway, I did this for the stream. I went long, and I pretty much top ticked this motherfucker. We went long, guys. Pushed this over 3,000. I did this not on the stream, not for the stream, but I did this off stream. These are brand new trade day evaluations. This I did off stream also, but it's my first day with my funded growth Tradeify account, Tradeify. And then I did this for the stream. I was actually up like 450, but I didn't lock it in. It came back, took out my fucking trailing stop because it always does, and then bounced. And then I was already, we ran out of time anyway, you know, because the cutoff is at the 45-minute mark, and it was only like 2 or 3 candles later. Had I gone full port, I would have gotten my $1,200 Dane, but it's okay because I'm fucking green everywhere. Oh, and last but not least, I did this in my first account I was trading today. My Apex live account. I'm going to request $1,101.12. Boom! My second payout on that shit. Anyway, guys, smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for hanging out. Use the best code 0DayJ at Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Lucid, My Fund the Futures, and Bullinox, and maybe even soon Tradeify. I'll know tomorrow. I'll let you guys know. All right? With that said, thanks again. I appreciate you guys. Holy Earth, thanks for hitting the super chat. Bodine, hit me up. You probably already did. I did hear that shit, my Discord pop off. I'll send you the code in a little bit. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks again. I'll be on tomorrow for Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern, maybe even in the morning earlier. I'm not sure. If I can, I will. But I'll talk to you guys